Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening your OpenAI account and confirming Dalle access. Grant any required permissions so you can generate images. Next, choose the image size and format, for example, 512 x 512 for quick tests or 1024 x 1024 for higher detail. Once done, prepare a concise prompt. Include subject, style, color palette, and mood. Use commas and short clauses to keep the model focused. Make sure to save or copy prompts you like so you can iterate quickly. Now you refine prompts to control output. Start with a clear subject, then add style cues such as oil painting or photorealistic, followed by lighting and color directions. This makes a big difference. Once you run a generation, compare results and tweak adjectives, framing, or aspect ratio. If you want consistency, include artist or lens references and repeat structure across prompts. Make sure to test 3-5 variations. Treat each run as an experiment and note what changed to learn quickly. Finish by selecting the best image and exporting it in the needed format and resolution. If you plan to use the image commercially, confirm licensing and any attribution requirements before publishing. Once saved, integrate the asset into your project or rerun with small edits to match brand guidelines. If outputs are off, simplify the prompt, remove ambiguous terms, or change style words. Retry up to 3 times with incremental tweaks. One key tip: clear, specific prompts fix most problems fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.